Hello everyone. This is week 1 of my data science journey. This week I followed the Python course from Free Codecamp and focused on learning the fundamentals of Python. The reason I choose Free Codecamp is because it's completely free and it focuses a lot on hands-on practice. Instead of just theory, you are constantly building things and applying what you learn. I started with topics like variables, data types, string, numbers, conditionals, functions, and scope. I also worked on a few small projects during the week. First, I built a bill splitter, which helped me practice calculations and user input. Then I created a movie ticket booking calculator using conditionals and logical operators. I also built a travel weather planner where I applied decision making logic to different weather conditions. And finally, I created an applied discount function where which helped me understand how functions work in real scenarios. The biggest thing I learned this week is that watching a tutorial and actually writing code are two different things. There were times when I thought I understand a concept, but when I tried to use it in a project, I got stuck. That's where the real learning happened. Every mistake helped me understand the concepts a little better. By the end of the week, I wasn't just learning Python, I was actually using it. Week 1 is complete, and I am excited to see how much progress I can make in the coming month. The roadmap link in the description. If you are following the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in week 2.